Hi, welcome to Bansi Cloud Tech. This is Chris from Bansi Cloud Tech, and we'll discuss today about Git. So let's go through some of the points about version control tools, overview of Git, working locally, branching and merging, interacting with a remote repository, and administrative server. We'll see few of them in this video. About version control tools, definition, use case, basic concept, history. What is version control tool? We all know well what is that. It is a management of changes to document, computer program, large website, and other collection of information. So why it is used? To keep a history. Suppose we need to refer when was it done, who wrote it, what was the change, why, in which context. All this information is a history. So you can inspect the revision at any moment. You can revert to previous use version. So that's why version control tool is used. All the deleted content remain accessible in the history. So keeping in history all the records. That's the reason we are using version control tool. So we see, right, version control. Share a collection of files with your team. Why? Merging changes done by other user. Ensure that nothing is accidentally overwritten. And branching, you may have multiple variant of same software materialized as branches. For example, a main branch, a maintenance branch, a development branch, a release branch. So version control tool help us to handle multiple branch concurrently, merges changes from a branch into another one. Next, use case 4, working with external contributor. VC tool help working with third party contributor. It gives them visibility of what is happening in the project. It helps them to submit changes, and it helps to integrate these patches. Forking the development of a software and merging it back to the mainline. This is one of the main point. Scaling. So like Linux kernel, right? So about 10,000 change sets in each new version will be there. So those changes has to be maintained by the versions controller. This scaling is also been taken care by the VC. So the repository, everybody knows that it contains the full history of your project, all revision from the beginning, version 1 to version 10. Each revision introduced, like I told, changes from the previous revision, has identified author, contains a textual message discussing a change. So current revision head, this is the revision 24, you can see that is the current one. Newer version is going towards, older version it's going down, newer is above. So tags is very important, very important. Tags are, so the tag identify a particular revision, typically a software, typically the release of software. So branches, as we know, branches are different variant of same collection of files. They evolve independently of each other. Main branch, where the everyday deployment happen. Master branch, maintenance branch, to issue big fixes for older releases of the software. So feature banks, we'll see next in the next video regarding more about this Git. So this is Chris signing off for Bansi Tech. Have a nice day. Cheers. Bye.